The door creaks shut behind them. Silence follows. Not the silence of peace, but of something watching. Their footsteps echo through the long corridor. Stone walls whisper names. Names they never said out loud. A symbol glows on the wall. Zayan reaches for it. The floor shifts. A new path reveals itself. One none of them saw on the map. This wasn't here before, Alina says, her voice echoing in the vast emptiness. A gust of air, and the torches along the wall light on their own, revealing a grinning gargoyle perched atop one of the pillars. Its eyes, two glowing embers in the gloom. That's because we weren't supposed to find it yet, a voice replies from the shadows. They spin around, startled by the sudden sound. She turns back to the gargoyle, its gaze boring into her. In the corner of her eye, she sees a shadow detach itself from the gloom, a humanoid form coalescing on the far side of the hall. One step closer, the gargoyle rasps, its voice like grinding stones. One memory lost. It's one of them, or was once one of them. A warrior clad in dented armor, his face a mask of stone. He raises his weapon, a cruel smile twisting his lips. Rayaan steps forward, his hand hovering over the cold, hard stone. The fortress has begun its game. Will they survive the next test? The puzzle clicks into place. The door at the far end of the corridor hisses open. Zayan hesitates, then steps inside. A glowing staircase swirls before him, descending into the darkness. But someone, or something, is already waiting below. What is this place? He whispers, his voice tight with fear and wonder. A shiver runs down Alina's spine. She glances back at the entrance, the door now agape in mar in the darkness. Rayaan freezes. His reflection isn't following him anymore. The gargoyle's grin widens. Time is running out. The walls begin to close in, the only way out vanishing behind them. It's not just a fortress, the gargoyle says, amusement dripping from its words. It's alive. The creature steps out of the shadows, and Alina gasps. Suddenly, the stone beneath their feet rumbled. A massive stone puzzle, one that wasn't there before, now blocks their path. The answer isn't logic. The gargoyle rasps, its voice echoing in the narrowing space. It's fear. They exchange a desperate look. They stand on the precipice of the second floor, the first real test of the fortress, and they now know each door is worse than the last.